city attorney's office says the proposed dress code changes are part of a $500,000 lawsuit settlement the city paid last year. Though they're called bikini baristas, some employees are serving coffee in items that aren't the typical poolside fashions. As revealing as some people may think their outfits are, Everett City Council will soon vote on an amended ordinance that could allow the baristas to work in minimal clothing, as long as it follows the city's lewd conduct standards.
The baristas will be able to dress just as they can anywhere else in the city, meeting the lewd conduct standard, which is basically a minimal bikini.
The proposed update to the dress code has a long legal battle dating back to 2009. City officials say Everett Police Department received more than 40 reports against area coffee stands for indecent exposure, inappropriate conduct, and in some cases, prostitution. In 2013, an investigation led to the arrest of 2 stand owners accused of prostitution and exploiting a minor. In an attempt to prevent sexual exploitation, the city initiated a dress code in 2017 for quick service facilities, including bikini baristas. The minimum requirements were tank tops and shorts.
The original purpose of this legislation was primarily to address the exploitive conduct of the barista stand owners, who were able to encourage illegal conduct at the stands while facing very little personal risk.
Giovanna Edge, owner of this bikini barista stand, and 2 others, filed a lawsuit against the city, saying the 2017 dress code was against their First Amendment rights of freedom of expression. The U.S. District Court ruled the city's dress code was unconstitutional.
In the lawsuit in 2020, the trial court upheld the city's lewd conduct ordinance, but found that the minimum dress requirement in the quick service ordinance violated equal protection of the baristas.
As part of the $500,000 lawsuit settlement, the city also agreed to amend its quick service ordinance, making baristas subject to the lewd conduct dress standards. The proposal would require the workers to cover up several specific private body parts with opaque material. The lewd conduct law says such clothing shall not be see-through and must fit adequately so that all minimum body areas remain covered at all times, including when the wearer is sitting, standing, bending, reaching, or performing other work duties. If City Council votes to approve, stand owners will be held accountable if their workers don't follow the dress code. This includes a $250 fine for the first violation.
What the law will do is put the onus on the stand owners to ensure that their employees are complying with the lewd conduct standard while they are at work, and they will face potential fines and probationary license requirement, and ultimately could lose their license after 3 violations.
City Council is scheduled to vote on the proposed amendment next Wednesday. I spoke with stand owner Giovanna Edge on the phone, and she says she supports this proposal. Reporting in Everett, Frankie Thompson, Fox 13 News.